Texas Instruments TI-Nspire CX CAS Color Graphing Calculator. Faster performance, added interactive visuals and easier to read graphics expand the TI-Nspire CX graphing calculators. Animated path plot. Visualize function, parametric and polar graphs as they are drawn in real time. Dynamic coefficient values. Explore direct connections between dynamic coefficients in equations and graphs. Points by coordinates. Create dynamic points defined by coordinates, sliders or expressions quickly. New features open new paths to understanding. Tick mark labels. Label axes scales to create visual contexts that promote understanding. TI Basic Programming Enhancements. Write code for visual illustration of key math, science and STEM ideas. Easier to read graphics. New app icons, supported by color-coded screen tabs, improve the user experience. Built on a foundation. Calculator. Perform computations and enter expressions, equations and formulas in proper math notation. Graphs. Plot and explore functions, equations and inequalities, animate points on objects and graphs, use sliders to explain their behavior and more. Geometry. Construct and explore geometric figures and create animations. Vernier DataQuest application. Create a hypothesis graphically and replay data collection experiments all in a single application. List spreadsheet. Perform mathematical operations on data and visualize the connections between the data and their plots. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for statistics and probability math. I grew up on the TI-84 generation of calculators and briefly used the TI-Nspire when they first integrated them into my high school's curriculum back in the early 2010s. The UI is nice and easy to navigate. The only downside to the UI is that there is noticeable lag when using the touchpad as a mouse cursor. The functionality and programs are great and helped me while taking a statics and probability math course recently for my college program. The only two negative critiques I have is that to truly utilize the calculator to its full functionality you either have to look it up on a tutorial online or have the software from Texas Instruments to learn the functionality if you didn't learn how to use this series of the calculator in your school curriculum. But once you learn how to properly use the functions of this calculator there shouldn't be a math problem you can't figure out. One more thing. This calculator is a great tool when trying to calculate taxes and planning monthly budgets.